to my channel. This is Letitia XO. So hey guys, I'm back with another video, but as you can see, I am dicing up some onions. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I cook my favorite meal while I was in college, growing up. Something quick, something easy, and yeah. So as you see here, I'm just rinsing off some broccoli. As you saw before, I was cutting up some onions. These are going to be our vegetables for the day, I would say. As you can see that I'm cutting up some broccoli. Okay, so as you can see, I have my fire on medium heat for the entire time. So here I'm just cooking up some rice. Then I start off by oiling up my pan, not too much, just to cover the base. And now I'm just putting in my red onions and my broccoli in the oil. So now here for the seasonings, you have some seasoning salt. We're just gonna sprinkle that in there, just a little bit, not too much. And then we're gonna get our red pepper. We're gonna also sprinkle a little bit more than the seasoning salt because I like spice, so yeah. And then now you can see me putting a little bit extra by putting a little bit black pepper, just even it out. And last but not least, I use my salt-free vegetable seasoning. Very, very good. Stir that up a little bit to get it all evened out. Now, don't criticize my rice. I'm not the perfectionist when it comes to rice, but this is literally a good softness of my rice that I prefer. Now, I'm just gonna season my rice with the salt-free vegetable seasoning and then some black pepper, and that's literally it. And then next, I'm gonna be dicing up some kielbasa sausage, and then I'm gonna saute that with the vegetables, which is my broccoli and my red onion. And then we're just gonna stir that up together and then let that sit for a bit. Look how pretty she is. And then next we're just gonna make some eggs, scramble those up, and then we're gonna put that in our buttered pan, and then we're gonna cook it up like regular scrambled eggs. And now that I have let that sit, and I'm gonna let my eggs cook a little longer, and then we're just gonna plate this, and then it's gonna be ready to eat. Last but not least, we're gonna add a little cheese to the eggs because I like to eat cheese in my eggs. There you have it, guys. Quick and easy. I hope you enjoyed.